Hello, hungry souls. Welcome to Blogging Good Food. Today, we are diving into the world of quick and healthy salad recipes, along with some delicious salad dressings. Whether you are a salad enthusiast or a newbie, we have got something for everyone. Let's get started. First up, we have some mouth-watering healthy salad ideas that will tickle your taste buds. And for those who crave protein, check out these healthy salads with chicken. Pasta lovers rejoice! We are bringing you some delectable pasta salad recipes that are perfect for any occasion. Let's not forget about our greens. Here's a selection of salads that pack a punch of nutrients. The broccoli salad, a crunchy and nutritious delight. Don't miss out refreshing fruit salad ideas, a taste of summer in every bite. Now, let's elevate your salad game with some homemade salad dressings. Say goodbye to store-bought and hello to flavor. Summer is all about fresh, vibrant flavors. Get ready to cool down with our summer salad sensations that are perfect for those hot days. Our light and refreshing summer salads will keep you feeling cool and satisfied. Planning a picnic? These picnic-ready summer salads are the way to go. There you have it, a feast for your eyes and your taste buds. For detailed recipes and more food inspiration, head over to our website at blogginggoodfood.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious content. Thanks for joining us today on blogginggoodfood.com. Stay healthy and happy eating.